Say hello!
Big old shovel in the pile.
This is what Minnesota winter is
This
like.
is no regular storm, though. This is like Mongo F5 Blizzard of the century. Don't drop it, whatever you do. I can't do it.
Okay, here.
Okay. Now just make sure you keep a hold on. That's all you gotta do. Don't touch anything.
Try to keep. Attempted snow angel. It's not 30 below yet. Are we having fun yet? Don't throw it at the camera.
It's not camera. Throw it at you.
Where is he?
Behind the tree.
Stop hiding, Mikey. Oh, there. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Hey, how do I turn this off? Right. Somebody's got to call her. Ah! Christine, I'm going to drop this damn thing. Help! Come and drop the camera.